Alright, good morning. Today is Tuesday, December 12th. I'm going to do a quick update on the Euro because Mario Draghi is speaking today, and you also have a FOMC meeting within today and tomorrow, so that's likely to impact this Euro. Sunday night, I spoke of the Euro going to at least 1810, but in order for it to keep the uptrend, it would have to break 1810. As you can see, it broke it by 2 pips and then it fell. So this resistance level it held. At that point, I believe at 1805, I got out, but I left and I wasn't near my computer. So when I went short extremely late. But at the end of the day, it was still enough for 30 pips that I'm currently at when I went short last night at 1775, and I knew it would go down to the next support level at 1745, which it did. As of right now, you can see it broke the support level of 1745, and it's close to the previous low of 1730. This is without looking at Elliott. This is just, playing the support and resistance levels. Most likely, what's going to happen is price is going to continue to find resistance here at 1745, and it will go down to the next level of 1725 or 1710. It's most likely going to break the 1725 and find some support just right in this area, just under it, 1715, 1710, somewhere around there. So it always seems to pass it by a few pips or not here and there, but I don't see it going below 1700, and then from there tomorrow is a reversal day, so tomorrow you should see basically a move up. And on a larger time frame, if you look at my 240, somehow the stuff got all messed up, so let me see. This will end wave C of 2 roughly at about 1725, 1720, somewhere in the range between 1725 and 1710. Price will find support. It will end wave 2, and then most likely to be a Fed hike increase, and that's going to make the dollar weak. So that's what I'm expecting over the next 24 hours or so. Most likely Draghi, he's going to speak in the next 3 hours. That may push it down just a bit, and then I'm expecting tomorrow to be the reversal. Now, as an alternate, you may see it find some support right here, and then in 3 hours, Draghi will speak, and you'll see a spike up, but then you'll see another move to the downside, and then in which case, sometime later tonight, you'll see the reverse, basically. So just keep your eye out on the Euro. And all the low should be coming to an end for a move to the upside. So that's the analysis there. You know what? On Sunday I also spoke of there was nothing I saw in here, but then after I did a little bit more analysis, I saw a double top form here on the weekly, and I went short half a contract, and turned out to be a pretty good one. I was also looking at the RSI that appeared to be overbought, and I took it, and it went nowhere near my stop. So at this point, I'm going to lower my stop and get about 100 I don't want to get too close, but close to 100 pips I'm going to take off the table. We'll lower my stop, and I'll look at the CAD as well. Now the CAD, it hasn't done much, but I am expecting this to come to an end. So if you look at this, if this is 5, this is A here. Now you can probably see an A. Let me see, B. Nah. So this would be 3, possibly A, B, C, B, then C. But I don't know exactly what this is. I know this is an A, or this is wave 3. If this is the 5 wave down, then you have the 3 wave move for an A, or one more move above this high to complete the top, basically. So I haven't really paid much attention. It's just that when I went long here, I saw pretty much close to so some support levels here, that it just broke this particular support level of 2660, and then it went just above it, and I saw this double bottom, and I took it. So I would have to go to a smaller time frame in order to see what's the likelihood of the CAD, but most likely I'm expecting a dollar weakness due to the Fed increase. So keep your eye out on those dollar pairs, which means on the Aussie, it just broke the trend channel that I had. So I'm expecting to move to the upside. This will be the wave 5 basically, so most likely this will be the start of wave A. It may not do anything until tomorrow, so just keep an eye out on that. And that's all I got. You know what? I also got the pound. Pound also broke the trend channel. So I'm waiting to see if it's gonna go. I don't want to take shorts in pounds because of these spikes up. And these spike ups are killer. They're killers. Sometimes they blow through your stop losses. They did similar things during the Brexit. So although this particular market appears short, I would advise to be careful, because as you can see, it goes short, then boom, spike up. It goes short, spike up. You know, and these spikes are deadly. So just be careful on that. It appears that it's making lower lows, and the price, and it's making lower highs as well. So it does appear that price is to the downside, but you never know. So just keep an eye on that. And that's all I got. I'll come back hopefully tonight or tomorrow with something different, but just keep your eye out on the Euro to see how this unfolds. As you can see, price here kept its resistance at the 1745 level, so I'm expecting it to come down to 1725. At that point is where I'm most likely going to exit my trade and look for a long, right when I get into the 1720 area. So just keep your eye out on that, and happy trading.